Hi, it's Larry Kearney. Welcome to my How to Make Money in 1 Hour uh, video, the ultimate fast cash method revealed. Now, how to make money in 1 hour is a mindset shift, an action plan most people never learn. Stop hunting get rich quick fantasies and start using fast, proven methods that can produce real cash in a single day if you focus well. So that's what this page is all about. But also, you can check out the link in the page because it gives you another source to actually start making money very quickly online. But you see here, there's a lot of information here. You can go below the video and check it out and read through it, or you can actually click the link here, and it will give you one of the great opportunities we have that actually can help anyone, even a beginner, start to make money online in an hour. This is Larry Curry. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video, and make sure you click the link below the video to see what this is all about. Okay, see you in the next video.